I want to do a quick video on how to make homemade granola bars or cereal bars. Here in our pot over low heat, you're going to add 6 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and you're going to let it melt down, and then it's going to boil for a little while, and I'll show you how to test. Once we think that that's gotten to the right stage, we're going to use a cup of cold water. We're going to drop our sugar mixture in there, and if it forms a soft ball, then that's what we're looking for. In a large mixing bowl, we are going to mix our quick oats. So you're going to use 2 cups of quick oats, and usually you would use Rice Krispie treats. I will be using, I actually have some Cinnamon Toast Crunch, a little bit messed up, or a little bit crunched down here. You're going to use 1 3/4 cups of that. We're going to mix that in our bowl. Important that you have a metal bowl so you're not melting it. Put that aside, and you're going to take your sheet cookie tray and spray it really good. But there's a little soft ball in my finger, so that means we've cooked as far as we want to go. If you drop those balls in there and you get a hard ball, that means you've overcooked it, and you're going to have hard, crunchy granola bars. I'm going to pour my hot mixture over my cereal and try to incorporate it as best as I can. Make sure you're not touching this mixture with your hands because it's incredibly hot. Once you get it pretty mixed in, pretty good, if you want to add chocolate chips, go ahead and add those. On your spread sheet. Spread it out evenly and press it down. And we're going to refrigerate it now for probably at least 20 minutes. So it has been about 20 minutes. So this is set, and I'm going to flip it out of the pan. I greased it and then push the pot right out with a sharp knife. Still nice and chewy, not too hard. You're going to want to take plastic wrap each piece up, like that, and store it in a freezer bag or storage bag. And you can keep them for probably up to 2 weeks, and they will stay chewy and they shouldn't dry out on you. So there you go, quick and easy. You can substitute any cereal in there for the Rice Krispie treats. You can also try to some maple syrup for the honey if you'd like to try. Mess around with it. You can add raisins, add peanut butter, whatever you want. Let us know how it came out, and give us a like and subscribe if you like this video.